Hello, scrappers. Yeah, it's been a little while. Yeah, this is the second load. I was going to record the first load, but as soon as I got in, I started unloading and forgot all about doing the recording. So, had a 85-year-old woman. She had two riders. This craftsman here was over at her son's place, pretty much right next door. And first one was a Toro rider. So I got it, and this dishwasher, microwave, and that little chest freezer. And then at her son's place, he had this. Actually, he had the dishwasher, and he had this canopy frame. So I got that on the first load because I had another guy call that was about 6 miles from her. He had this exercise bike and garden hose reel and another dishwasher. I told him it wasn't really worth driving up there for no more than he had. So I said, well, let me look at, see what, because I got some other pickups up that way. So I was able to pretty well do it in the second run. So I'm going to get busy here in a few minutes and get this unloaded as soon as I get the video done. Tomorrow I got a guy that's got 3 riders. I think he said he had a little bit of other stuff, small stuff, and then he's got a car. So he said one of the riders have tires on it, the other 2 may not. So I'll probably have to take first trip, go over there in the Colorado in the little trailer here and get what I can, and then second load I'll probably take the 3/4 ton and the car hauler over there, hydraulic tilt, and load up the 2 riders, and then maybe question whether I'll do it tomorrow or wait until Wednesday morning to go over and get that car. He said he does have the title, so, but he wants me to get everything else out of there first before I get the car. So, and he's no charge, he's just going to give it to me. This is all good. So I've been busy with barrels, and man, what a month. Made real good money last month on barrels. Nice, I don't have to be out here in this heat quite as much. And my wife called another supplier today, and he only had a couple barrels at the moment, but he's gonna just give the barrels to us, so that's a sweet deal. I had one company, I guess he gets dirt, soil samples from oil rig drilling and stuff, and they fill the, put the dirt soil samples into the barrels. So when he messaged me, I said, how many do you need? He said 100, and LOL. I thought, okay. I said, I think I have 20. He bought all 20 of them. So now I got to try to get up another 20, and then I'll give him a call and tell him I got 20. So, which probably this week, maybe later this week, Thursday, Friday, I'm going to try to get a hold of the guy here in Blanchard that has, basically keeps it works more, I think, out of Chickasha, but the company's address is in Blanchard. But there I give $2 a barrel, and that's open tops and everything, so just straight $2 straight across. So last load I brought in from him, I think I had 50 barrels, and had 21 of them were open tops. So I'm going to try to probably get a 55 barrel load this time. So maybe get a couple extra open tops out of the deal. Get them all ready to go, and then I'll give this guy a call and maybe make another close to 300 bucks. Of course, now buying them out of Dunkin', I pay $5 a piece for the ones with the removable lid. So if I get 20 of them from him, I pay 100 bucks for the 20 and then sell them for 300. So I make 200. Yeah, maybe 180, after fuel. But it's still, pretty quick turnaround of money. So anyway, I'm gonna pull this exerciser off of there, and then go get the tractor and get that rider off, and drop the trailer because the wife wants to run in into town, get some stamps so she can get some bills sent off. I'll get that unloaded and pull this stuff after drop the trailer. I'll pull the stuff out of the back of the truck, which is only a couple items, so that won't take but a minute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This little bit of stuff I brought in, and yeah, ad comes out the first of the month, and everybody waited till the end of the month to give me calls on it. And then it's like 102, 103 heat index out here. So yeah, they want to keep me sweating, which I haven't been spending a whole lot of time outside. I've been staying in a lot. Come out and work for 20 minutes or so, and then go in and cool off, work for 10, 20, yeah. So things are kind of filling up. Some of this stuff I'm not even breaking down. It's just too hot out here, and I got to cut the cords off of those. But I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching, and you guys take care. Hope you guys are doing good. I hear prices are coming down, but hopefully you're still getting good prices where you are. So you take care, stay hydrated, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.